The Big Guide for Little Creatures. Page 4, Chapter 1, Frogs. Crossing the road. The very commonly used method for this is the catapulting reed technique. With this method, it is of the utmost importance that one follows the strict instructions of the guide.
I'm not sure about this actually, Rocky. I think I might want to get down.
Don't worry about it, Reg. The book said all I've got to do is cut the rope and you'll go gliding effortlessly across to the other side of the road.
Well, okay. But you're going to try it next, yeah?
Well, of course I will. Now make sure nothing's coming while I cut the rope.
Yeah, well, I don't see why you couldn't have gone first, though.
Well, then I wouldn't have been able to cut the rope then, would I, stupid?
Oh, yeah, I guess so. Here, hang on a minute. I think there's something coming. I think you better stop cutting.
What's that? Keep cutting? Right you are.
No! Stop cutting! Stop cutting!
All right, keep your head on. Oh, actually, you might not want to make any sudden movements.
I think I'm going to have one of my panic attacks. I'm going to jump off.
No, Reg, don't panic. Just try to relax.
Oh, that's easy for you to say. Oh, no. I think I'm going to... Uh-oh. I don't believe it. I made it. I'm alive!
Huh? You made it?
I made it!
Reggie? Reggie? You there, Reggie? You're on? Reggie?
Uh-oh.